Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will talk about how to make a game pass in Roblox. In order to make a game pass, first we have to go to the Roblox website. So in the search panel, we will type Roblox, then hit enter. Now go into the first website. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now click on create. Now go to dashboard. Now select any of your world or game. I'll just go into my game. Then on the left hand side in the monetization tab, you will find passes. Now click on create a pass. Give your pass a name. I'll just name it tutorial pass. The description can be whatever you desire. Now create the pass. You can also sell your pass with using a Robux. You can set a price for your game pass. I'll set 10 Robux and save the change. If I go back to the passes page, I'll see that the pass is now worth 10 Robux. And if I go to the official URL, it will show that my pass is being sold for 10 Robux. That's how you can create a game pass. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.